As you've probably heard, interest rates are at historic lows. As you can see from this graph, in April we recorded the lowest monthly interest rates in the past 30 years. But what does this really mean? Well, in short, folks considering a move today have more buying power than any other buyers in the past 30 years. Here's an example to illustrate. In this community, the starting investment is $429,990. At 3.5%, today's current interest rate rounded up just a little bit. The monthly investment, principal and interest, not taxes and insurance, is $1,931. Just amazing. Now, just a few months ago, rates were bouncing around in the mid-4s. And the question many of our prospective homeowners are asking is, what happens if they bounce back up? Well, the monthly investment on this home skyrockets to $2,179. Incredibly, just by taking advantage of today's historic interest rates, that equates to a savings of $248 every month, or nearly $3,000 every year. While being able to save nearly $3,000 every year is certainly exciting, there is a bigger story. To prove the true power of interest rates, we need not look further than $2,179, the monthly investment for this community's smallest home when rates were at 4.5%. By leveraging today's rates, the Michigan, a much larger home, is actually a smaller monthly investment. In other words, by taking advantage of today's current rates, a home buyer in this community increases their buying power by an astounding $50,000. Put differently, a home buyer now can qualify for $50,000 more home than when interest rates were at 4.5%. While no one knows what the future holds, it seems likely that as the economy improves, interest rates will follow. So, the real question to ask when evaluating the current environment is not, what's going to happen to home prices? The real question is, what impact will an interest rate increase have on my home buying decision? So, whether you put your search on hold a few months ago because you didn't want to settle for a smaller home, or perhaps you are weighing current market conditions, let's talk today. Let's have a conversation about how interest rates can impact your personal buying power.